Okay, I want to show you three very important tools. One is for meetings, is an AI note taker called Fireflies AI. With this one, I can just click add to a live meeting, and I just need to share the name of the meeting and the link and the language, which can be a bunch of languages, and that's it. Here is one meeting and which went very well. But essentially, the best part is going to tell me like how many questions we made, how many tasks, metrics, date, time, the topics, the sentiments, how positive, how negative was the meeting, if it was neutral, the time that everyone spent on the microphone, and it's going to create a nice summary. Now, I have another two tools to show you. One, which is pretty interesting, is the ChatGPT that you already know. The interesting part is that it can help you a lot with, let's say, I'm planning to launch a marketing campaign and I want to announce a new product and I have no idea. I can just ask ChatGPT, like, help me brainstorm ideas for an email campaign to announce our summer sale on eco-friendly water bottles. And then it's going to help me with all that campaign. It's going to help me with an email sequence structure, how to do it, the subject, everything. I can redefine it if I want to. I can just say like refine and organize. I can say that help me to create a Canva presentation, or also help me to generate an Instagram post for this campaign. And boom. So now it has the Instagram post captions, and it has a couple of ideas about what kind of image can I use. And I will say create a realistic image for that campaign. And it's generating that one, which is pretty cool. Now, and while we are waiting on that one, and in the next chapters, we're going to talk about how to generate images, videos, and pictures. But I also want to share you something else. GPT is not the ChatGPT is not only the ChatGPT window that we know. On the left, we are going to click here on Explore GPTs. You can see that we have unlimited GPTs available. So meanwhile, it's generating there. And then the other one, there are a lot of tools that you can use. I went to this website. So essentially, we don't know if we will use the ChatGPT or the Meta AI or the one Gemini from Google. This website literally combine all of those, and I can literally just copy and paste. Let's just copy this. Let's go ahead to post it here. And it's going to try to find the best answer from the 4 AIs in a single page. So it's analyzing everything. Grok, OpenAI, Google, Perplexity, is searching everything available. And it's trying to gather the answer. So I don't need to go one by one. I can just do it in once. And it's going to generate multiple answers. And then it's like having a discussion with my board of advisors. And after this, it's going to give me the best answer. And this is going to take a little of time. It's working there. It's thinking 6%. Let's go back to the ChatGPT. Well, this one already created a graphic for my campaign. Reusable, something that we can reuse, is stylish, planet approved bottle. Now, Meanwhile, this one, okay, this one is already done. Okay. So this one already created the best campaign using the 4 or 5 GPTs. Unlock summer sales, your ultimate email campaign. And I have my highlights, setting the stage, crafting your campaign, everything about the strategy, designing the email campaign, like the teaser, visuals and we should use. Also generated the visuals. So as you can see, we have the visuals over there for my campaign, which are, in my opinion, better than this. I like this, but this one is way better. It will spotlight, like highlights for my emails, the urgency, a mind map about how to work on this, choosing your approach, and it's still working. It's at 40%. Let's go back with ChatGPT in the meantime. So with ChatGPT, if you go to the left and click on Explore GPT, there is a GPT for everything. Like it can help me to write for me, create videos, pictures. So essentially you just need to find it here, wherever you want to. So let's just say programming. If I want to write on Python a program, I can just go there and say start a chat. I can say write a program in Python that creates a video game to showcase my water bottle campaign. Make it an adventure video game. I just type it. And it's going to design everything about the concept, what kind of game I'm going to use, how to create it. So it's going to work on everything. And I say, okay, it's telling me what I'm looking for. And I will just reply like, yes, like Pokemon, start building the code. And boom, it's going to write all the code for my video game. And essentially you just need to plug it and I will have a very nice video game. And if I don't know how to plug it, I can just ask like, how can I put it in a computer or Arduino or whatever device I'm looking for. So here's my code. Now, let me show you again here on GPTs. Explore GPTs. Now, let's say I want to programming and maybe I'm looking to create an app. There is one to create an app. So start chat and I will say, okay, create an app that will interact with customers via chat and also will have visuals and a catalog about my new products. And just type it. And it's telling me about maybe features that we'll need, like a chatbot and a catalog and everything. So it will help me like if I'm not a developer, how can I do it? Or a custom code or an example. And you can get more features. But essentially I can say like create the app code for me. And it's working on the project structure for my app. Here is the code for my app. Smart bottle, like it has also the prices, the products, the components. I literally can create an app in no time with this. Now, in my opinion, and we're going to talk about that, Claude is much better, but let's stick with this one in the meantime. Just lastly, if I'm looking for Canva is well known for social media and presentation. We'll go on that one. If looking for something to write content, create videos, you literally can find new GPTs here every day. You just need to go to the catalog or type it, and it's going to get it for you. Now, going back, my article is ready. So it completed my article. See the campaign strategy, my approach about the market. So this is pretty crazy. My eco-friendly solutions, it has the business plan, features and everything. It has some visuals. It created a video, enhancing engagement, like extra strategies, how to do it, and more visuals, and frequent questions, and reads, and everything. So pretty much this app is crazy because it's combining every single GPT available, and just trying to combine it to have the best answer.